Morning, we're in Vancouver. Here's Vancouver City. Whee! I'm on Silvernova. Unfortunately disembarking today. Haven't got another Silversea cruise booked yet, but I have been looking at a South Pacific one, January 2027. We'll see. Yeah, Vancouver in Canada. It's Mr. No Cruise Control, first time in Canada. It's my second time. I've only been to one place in Canada before on a cruise, surprise, surprise. Yeah, looking forward to explore. We have a day here. We leave tomorrow afternoon. We have a hotel here that Silversea booked for us, a Hyatt Regency. Should have been the Fairmont, but I think a relationship broke up there. Oh, they're putting the flags up. Let me try and show you. This is technically a home port. Oh yeah, there's something up there. There's a man over there.
You'll also see Stanley Park, the trees beyond that, our port industry out in the water, out in the bay. Here we are on the right, you'll see the beaches. The trees beyond that, that's Stanley Park. The bay. And look at the mountain up there, that's the city of West Vancouver, a separate city from Vancouver. Look to your left, there's Granville Island down there, everyone. That is our number one stop. Number one spot to be, not just for guests, but for the locals. We love it there. Everything BC is there. Left the Vancouver House development, built in 2020 during the pandemic. Also these shorter grass-topped buildings here are Vancouver Canada West Campus University attached to that. And on the left here, they're building some more shorter residential areas, all attached to the Vancouver House development. And you need to know, we had a lot of construction going on during the pandemic because, you know, workers could be outside and working that way. So a lot of new buildings did go up in Vancouver.
is our balcony view. Whee! High rises all around. Whoa. We're on the 5th floor. And there's the harbour. And your ship docks just around the corner. The bus stop just outside the hotel. It's not so cold out here. I'd say it's probably about, I don't know, 15 degrees Celsius, something like that. Oh, there's people down there. Whee! Smoking. Can't smell it up here anyway. So today we leave Vancouver, sad times, and head back to London. I'll show you a bit of our journey. We go via Chicago. Sadly, we don't get off at Chicago. Well, we get off the plane, but we don't leave the airport in Chicago, sadly. Chicago has played a part in my life without me even being there. So when I was a kid, a teenager and stuff, I was obsessed with ER, the TV program based in Chicago County. And I'm pretty sure the influence of that was the reason I became an ED charge nurse. I liked Abby, Dr. Carter, Luca, Sam. Yeah, the reasons behind my being an ED charge nurse. Yeah, it's sad to live in Vancouver. It's so lovely. Such a lovely city. Seemed really like quiet, friendly, a lot of Irish. Yeah, I mean, it's a good thing having a lot of Irish. I love the Irish. It's just a long way from Ireland. And strong Irish accents. Yeah, a lovely city. I love the way it's all built up, but it's also spread out. I was saying today, it feels like a sort of spread out, quieter New York in a North American kind of comparison. Yeah, it's lovely, really nice. Can't wait to return one day.